Have you been thinking about making homemade dog food? It's easier and cheaper than you think. Our first ingredient is chicken breast, lean ground beef or ground turkey, frozen green beans, and frozen carrots or butternut squash, white rice or brown rice, frozen or fresh sweet potatoes. The first step is to boil our chicken. We want to boil it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until the center no longer has any pink. You're going to add that ground beef or turkey to a sauté pan. Stir it up and heat until it looks nice and brown. After, you're going to go ahead and drain the beef so that there's very little fat. For the rice, you're going to prepare as per the instructions with the water to rice ratio. I don't add any salt because a lot of dogs don't do well with salt. Next, we will take our green beans and put them in the microwave. This package says 6 minutes, so that's all we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing for our frozen carrots. Again, this one says 6 minutes, and we're just gonna go ahead and microwave. Now that our chicken is fully boiled, we're gonna go ahead and take that chicken out and put it directly into a food processor. We're gonna go ahead and mix that until it's a fine grain. Pour that mixture out into a bowl, and we're going to save it for when we do our measuring. For the sweet potatoes, we're gonna go ahead and microwave those as well. I use frozen, but you certainly can use fresh sweet potatoes. The cooked green beans will go directly into the food processor. No need to clean because it's all going in the same place. We're going to go ahead and add the carrots as well to the same processor. Chop the cooked carrots and green beans until they're pretty fine. They will mix together so you don't have to mix separately. Use a tinfoil tray. Add your chicken and ground beef, approximately half of the tray. We're also going to add about a quarter of those mixed vegetables in so it looks like this. Now we're going to go ahead and puree those sweet potatoes. Sometimes you can buy them already pureed, and we're going to mix that into our rice. It should look something like this when you're done, a combination of sweet potatoes and rice. The final ratio should look something like this. We're going to mix that all up and then start the bagging process. I use individual baggies and seal them up. I like to get all the air out so that there's room in the freezer. I stack up all of my little baggies, and then I take those baggies and put them in a bigger bag, again to save space. My dog is very curious, so I had to give him a little taste test. I put all the baggies in the freezer, but leave one in the refrigerator. I then take out the baggie when I'm ready to use it. I combine some of the homemade dog food together with the kibble. You can use it exclusively, but ask your veterinarian if they recommend any particular supplements. And that's it. Enjoy.